Yes, very good evening, everyone. Welcome back to Pantech eLearning Solutions. So, this is R. Divyanjali from Pantech. Before starting the session, dear participants, can you all hear me? Yes, hello everyone. Very good evening. Yes, very good evening, everyone. Welcome back to Pantech eLearning channel. This is R. Divyanjali from Pantech. Pantech is a platform where a person can experience, innovate, and implement different research and development works over this platform. Firstly, I would like to welcome all the participants to the pleasant evening session. Before starting the session, dear participants, am I audible to all of you? And is the screen is visible clearly? Please let me know that in the comment section. Yes, very good evening, very good evening. It's audible, right? Quite fine. Let me see who is the first participant to our session. Aminu, Rahul, Anuja. Very good evening, Harshavardhan, Devi, Sheikh Banu, Akhilesh, Balakrishna, Ashish, Satya. Very good evening, Srikanth, Nikesh, Muhammad Aisha. Very good evening, and all the participants. Very good evening, everyone. Rohan, Muhammad Wasif, Maunika, Krishna, Madhavi, Meghana. Yes, good evening, good evening. Fine. So, we have come up with the fourth day session of our masterclass, right? Fine. First, let us rewind what we have learned in the last 3 days, okay? First day we have started learning something about the basic introduction to web development, right? What is this web development? How can we develop any web page? What is the process, right? And what are the various trending applications or various sectors where we can implement web development, right? So this and all we have discussed on day 1. We even have created a web page, simple web page, right, from notepad. So on the day 1 we have learned about the basic introduction to web development. Moving on to the next day, that is day 2, we have learned about React.js introduction. What is this React.js? It's a library file, okay? We are using for JavaScript, okay, fine. So what are the various features making it so special to use this library? And what with React.js, what we are going to do, what it is going to happen? The word itself is telling us something like it's going to give me the fast quick response, correct? So that is what, and what are the various features, what are the various applications, that and all we have discussed on day 2. Moving on to day 3, we have discussed about what are all the various softwares we are going to work with. What are the various softwares we have discussed? Can anyone let me know that? Yes. If you want, I'll share you the software links once again. Don't worry about that. Just give me 1 minute. I'll share you the software links first of all. Please check the comment section. I hope all the students and participants might have been already installed the softwares. If not, please check the comment section, click on the link and finish the installation process. First I have shared VS Code, next Node.js, next XAMPP. Fine. So next is so today will be quite interesting. Before starting today's session, let me know how many participants are ready to develop your first React.js application. To develop or to create your first React application. How to create an application. How many of you are ready? Along with me, you also can create the app. How many of you are ready? I wanted to know. Don't tell yes ma'am, no ma'am. I don't want such answers. Dear participants, this is not your regular classroom boring session. No, this is not such kind of session. Okay. So please make the session interactive. Please raise your hands in the comment section telling that yes ma'am, I'm ready with my system. With all the softwares installed. Participants were so interactive. Everyone is responding. Very nice. Most of the participants are ready with systems, right? That's quite interesting. So today, by the end of the session, you are going to develop your first React application. How to create an application and how to create some content. How to create any web page. Okay? That is what we are going to learn in today's session. I hope everyone is interested, right? Fine. So let us see how to create this React.js project in VS Code. Yeah. We already know what is this React.js, right? It's a library file basically, which is basically used to give fast response. Okay. React is a popular JavaScript library developed by Facebook for building user interfaces. The Visual Studio Code editor supports React.js, IntelliSense, and code navigation out of the box. Yeah, so we'll be using the Create React App Generator for this. This is fine. Rather than explaining you the same thing in theoretical manner, I'll just tell you in practical as well. Okay, so please go to Start All Programming. Yeah, everyone. Please follow the instructions along with me and please start working. Type here VS Code. Please open this. Yeah. When you open this VS Code editor window, you can see the following page. User interface is nothing but we are interacting the code with our web page, with our application, with our web application, internet, okay, web page. That is nothing but user interface. We are creating some interface, GUI purpose. You can consider like. Yes, JavaScript is a prerequisite. Of course, you should have some basic knowledge. If you don't have also no issues, you can just follow my instructions. You can gain the knowledge. Sanjana. Okay, fine. I'll tell you slowly. Don't worry. Today we are going to all together. We are going to develop this or create this application. Okay. I hope everyone is in the same display in your systems. Is everyone is in the same page, same display on the screen? I want response from all the participants. Because I want to know whether participants are working or not. How many of you are in the same display on your screens? If you don't have any programming idea also, no issues. You can learn here. XAMPP installation showing error. I have given you the link. Just click on that, download the file and just click on next and then click on finish. It will be installed. Okay, most of the participants are ready, right? Now follow the instructions. Go to this terminal. Can you all see the screen here? Terminal. Please click on this terminal. When you click on this terminal, you can see the options like new terminal, run task, run build task, run active file, run selected text, configure the task, configure default build task. These are the various options which is available. Among all that, you just have to click on new terminal. If you don't have system, you can just listen the session. It's enough. Okay. Yeah, just click on this new terminal. You can see this is the terminal. Okay. I hope it is clear. Let us first know what are the options available. File, we know for text windows, new windows or opening any file, recent files, saving the content, duplicates of our text data, auto save the content, okay, reverting the file, closing the editor windows or files and windows and exit the editor. Next, edit. It's like copy paste, all options are available in this edit. Okay. Next, selection. Whether we have to select all, expand selection, shrink selection, copy line up, copy line down, move link up, move line up, move line down. So these are the various options available in selection. Next, view. Open view, appearance, editor layout, explorer. These are the various options. Go. Here you can see at what point of our code we have to go. To select that, we are using this go options. Next, run, debugging and execution purpose. Terminal, for executing the data in web page, we are using this terminal, new terminal. Okay. Next, help, for any kind of information help or any kind of whatever we are going to develop. Okay. For any kind of support, we can just go through this documentation. It is enough. Okay. Now you will be in this terminal block. Am I correct? Screen is not visible. 1 minute. You can even change this Windows color, I guess. Okay, you can just follow the screen is visible, right? That's fine. Zoom. We cannot zoom this window, I guess. Can you see now? Can you see now this terminal block? It's visible, right? Fine. Now you are going to start or create an app, right? For that you have to follow the instructions. cd space type // Click on this first of all. Type this instruction. Now click on enter. Now you can see the path has been changed, correct? Now next what you have to do is type here D:. Click on enter. Now the path has been changed to D drive. That's fine, correct? Everyone? First we have typed the instruction cd .. // Click on enter. Now type D:. Now enter. The path has been changed now. Okay. Next. npx space create react app. App name you can give here now as something like hello. Okay, this is my app name. Just click on enter. Creating a new React app in D drive. Okay. Fine. So whenever it is been creating any application, few packages it has to be installed. Okay, so internally package installation is going to be done. Installing React, React DOM, React scripts and CRA template. Okay, so templates are also getting installed. So it will take time for installation of packages, right? So please, once again, I'm telling you what are the instructions you have to type in this terminal block is type cd space dot dot forward slash dot dot. Click on enter. Now type here D drive, that is D, capital D, put colon and click on enter. Now the path has been changed. Next you have to type the command like npx create react app and you have to give the app name. I'm repeating it once again, Jansi. Please follow. I'll explain you slowly. Don't worry about that. Dear participants, please follow my instructions. Open VS Code. Next, go to terminal block. Click on new terminal. Now type here in the terminal block, you have to type cd space dot dot forward slash dot dot. Click on enter. Now type capital D, give colon and next click on enter. Next, give the command here like npx space create react app space give the name of the app. Now click on enter. Now the React app is going to be created in D drive. Okay. Whenever it is creating, it will install the required packages. Okay. Ma'am, what is installed before this because it shows an error? No. If you want, I'll just give you these commands. Just type the same commands. Copy paste in your terminal. Okay. I'll share you in the comments. I don't know whether it will be coming or not. You check it. I'm sharing you the code as well. Type in the same manner, however, I'm giving the commands. I wanted to know whether everyone got till here, creating an app. I need response. Error. What kind of errors you are getting, dear participants? I'll explain you what is that npx everything. Just wait. First, let me know whether people are able to give the commands and get the installation. Install before this. I'll explain you about npx. Just wait. Why to change the path, ma'am? Because I am going to create my path here itself in this D drive. We should not create in C drive. It's not preferable. How many of you have done till here? Like creating app. Installation is done and creating an app. How many of you are ready? Just raise your hands. Again, you're asking the same question. I'm going to explain you. Just wait. Let all the participants create the app first of all. App is not opening. Which app? Which app is not opening? Create new app. I mean React app. You just type these instructions. It will create a new React app in D drive. Okay. It will install the required packages and gives you the commands at last like this. Happy hacking like that. Still installing. No issues. We'll give you 2 more minutes. Let it take time. I'm practicing HTML daily, so I don't have that page. What I do, ma'am, now? Madam, is there any possible occurs why I'll click on terminal because I scare about my HTML code? No issue. We are just creating an app only. We are not doing anything else. Durga Prasad. Just click on terminal. Click on new terminal. And within the terminal, you have to type the instructions. CD space dot dot forward slash dot dot. Next line you have to click on or type capital D, give the colon, click on enter. Now give the command like npx create react app and give the name of the app. Okay. If D drive does not exist, whatever the drive it is there in your system, you can just give that. Maybe installation process might be wrong. If you are getting error means while you are installing VS Code, you could not click on I accept the terms and conditions like that. Please check it out. You can close this VS Code, again start, then you can just follow the instructions you will be getting. NPM error could not determine executable to run. That's what, ma. You close complete VS Code, reopen it, open a new window, go to terminal, type the commands and execute it. You will create a new React app. I would like to know how many participants are till here finished. Please raise your hands. Tell clearly in the comment section that I have created this. Till now I am clear. Till this, happy hacking. I am being at this point like that. I need a response. Maybe most of the participants might got wrong with the installation process yesterday. That's why when I'm explaining only you can work along with me. How many of you are ready till here? I wanted to know. Need 2 more minutes, huh? Okay. Let me see till that time how many of you are ready. It says new major version of NPM available. Okay. Still loading. Let it load. No issues. It will come. Clear. I have created till this, ma'am. Very good. Sai Divya. Very good. Till Ruban. Very good. NPX create React app. Give the name. Hello. Need to install the following packages. React. Yeah. Just click on yes. Mafus. If NPM is not recognized means check with Node.js installation. Yeah. Most of the people have done till here, right? Now what you have to do here? I'll tell you. Just type here npm space start. So few of the people asked me what is this npx? Node package execution. This is the command for node package execution. So it is going to create the app with this command now with the name of hello. Okay. After creating, by default, you can see here in my folders. You check in your folders, File Explorer. So it is in D drive. Just select that. Here, can you see the folder? Hello. Folder name is hello. Can you people see this clearly? Yeah. This is my folder, correct? Just click on this. You can see here by default these will be created. These folders and files are by default created whenever you are creating a React app. It means till now you have created the React app. Okay. Basic React app has been created. Now what you have to do is just click on npm start. So type this command. Npm is abbreviated as Node Package Manager. Once again I am telling you npm is abbreviated as Node Package Manager. Okay. Just give the command like npm space start. Click on enter. So now that 1 minute. 1 minute, 1 minute. React app Now give the folder name here. Yeah. Now give here npm's. Try using new directory or remove the files listed above. Okay, we give some other name like npx create new create react app space. I'll give something like help. Okay, enter. Yeah, it's been creating the new react app now. Now that after installing XAMPP link also I have shared you in the comment section. Please go through that. Finished. Very good. Srivatsa. Thank you. Very good. You have done very quickly. NPM start. Yes, of course. VS Code supports various programming languages, ma. It supports something like Python, Java. Okay, various programming languages are being supported. Ubuntu. No. We are giving the sessions for Windows. Don't use any other operating systems or any other things. Okay. Yeah, it's been installing and creating the app. Next, after installing, just click on npm start. It will redirect us to the web page, creating that it's an application. Okay, we have created. We see the Play Store. Can we see in Play Store? No. No, ma. Please don't use mobile phones for that. D is just a drive path name. Yeah, now you see npm start. 1 minute. Even I am getting some error. VS Code. Open. Terminal. New terminal. CD space. Next, type here D drive. Next, type here npx create react app name hell. Could not determine executable to run. Wait. React app. Yeah. A list of supported commands run npm help. One minute. No. Wait. We'll do one thing. We'll uninstall VS Code and then again install it. Yeah, go to Google Chrome, type here VS Code, download for Windows, click on enter, click on the first option. For Windows, we are going to download it. It's downloading. Just let us wait. Double click on that file. I accept the agreement. Next. No, we have tried with NPX as well as NPM also. Wait, let me check. Finish. We'll go with new window. Yeah. Go to terminal, new terminal. CD space. Now type here D drive. Next npx create react app space L. Try using new directory. Okay, we'll change the directory as well. Npx create react app, give name here like help. Yeah, it's creating now. It's installing. How many of you finished this installation and created? No, ma. I'm not zooming the screen actually. I'm explaining you, right? You just type the same instructions. Through command prompt also I'll tell you. Just wait. Cannot find a drive. A drive with the name D does not exist. Maybe according to your system, you can type according to in what are the different drives are there. You can type C D E. Okay. Just wait. Just wait. Let me also execute it along with you people. That is npx Rahul. Node package executor. Still installing. Yes, C is not preferable because D drive is suited because we have developed in D drive only. I mean, we have saved all the files in D drive and it is suggested also to be saved files in D drive. Okay. Because in C we'll be having all the softwares installed, all that, right? So it's not preferred. It's installing still. Yeah. Now type here npm start. Wait. I'll just open the file which I have created. Okay, this is the file I have created actually. We'll open this here. Open folder. Okay, hello. That particular folder I have opened. Go to terminal here. So here you type npm start. The same instruction only here I have typed. It will execute my web page now. Yeah. It's working perfectly, right? First React app is created. Very good, Manvi Yogi. Very good. Wait, it's loading. Just let us wait. I have given the commands. Okay, in the comment section I gave you. It's taking too much of time. Yeah. So we got it. Till creation of app. Okay, we have done. Okay. How many of you done till here? At least few people. I wanted to know how many of count. Tens, 20s, 30s like that. If you have one drive only, you can use the same drive also, no issues. Or else you can split that particular drive into number of drives. That's what Durga Prasad. If you want, you can even split that particular drive. No issues. Split it and then work. It will take time for splitting of drive. Memory has to, it will take time to divide. Very good. My system has already done it. Yes, sir. It's working properly. Done. Very good. So now that we'll open the same content through folder, File Explorer. Okay. Go to your folder, click here, CMD and enter. Now type here npm start. This is another way of executing. Okay. Directly from the File Explorer, we are just running it. Okay. Now you can see the same execution is done in two ways. One is through command prompt. The other way is through VS Code editor window terminal. Okay. The command what I used is same. npm start. Okay. Node package manager space start. It means execute. Okay. This is what the first React app application is. Am I clear with this? Am I clear with this? I hope it is clear. Right? Fine. We'll go back to our code. Yes. So now that we have created the app, that is fine. Next thing, we have to print hello world. Whatever the programming language you are going to work, the first instruction what we execute is hello world. Print hello world, right? Here also we do the same thing. Can you see here the folders and files? My folder is created now, that is app is created. In that app, by default, I am going to have these folders. By default, you don't need to do anything. Okay. Now, check here source. So, all the files can be displayed here. Click on app.js. Click on this. So, here you are going to change the content. Okay. What content you are going to change? Don't need this much content actually, I'll tell you. Okay. So just remember that in app.js only we are going to work with. Okay. Fine. Now we'll go back to our presentation. So we already typed these instructions, right? Commands, npm start, all this. It is all theoretical explanation only. Here comes what are the various things available in VS Code. One is markdown preview. Next, syntax highlighting and bracket matching. IntelliSense. Go to definition and peak definition. Hello world. Debugging React. Set a breakpoint. Configure the debugger. Live editing and debugging and linting. What are all these? These and all available in editor only. VS Code. Okay. Markdown preview. In the file explorer, one file you will see is the application readme file. Okay. If you are in VS Code editor window now, check with that readme file. Okay. So which is nothing but markdown file. This has lot of great information about the application. What is the basic React app application representing, like that. Okay. And about React also, in general terms, it will be having the content. A nice way to review the README is by using VS Code Markdown Preview. So sorry for the interruption. So Markdown Preview, so that it will display about our application. Next. Yeah, this is where you can see preview README. Okay, fine. Next comes syntax highlighting. When you start typing the code, you can see the syntax is getting highlighted. Okay. And also when you open a bracket, it will also display the closing brackets as well. Okay. You can see here. It helps us in completing the command as well. Okay. This are not theoretical only. When we start working with the application, then you will understand. Okay, so these are all the instructions basically. Debugging, you already know, it's nothing but checking errors. Here in VS Code, if we are having any errors, it will be described or illustrated with red colored indication. Okay. Yeah. Linda's concept is not needed now. We'll explain you in coding. Okay. This is how we are going to create a basic React app application. Any doubts in this creating? If you are having errors, please reinstall the software and work it. It will come. I'll share you the PPT, don't worry. Please don't use mobile phones for these applications. It's a request, Aparna, okay? I know you have been my participant since data science, deep learning, right? I'm so happy to see your name in the comments. After happy hacking, you have to type npm space start. Click on enter. You will be getting the first React app on the web page. It will be displayed. Print something on the web page. Yes, of course, tomorrow we are going to do that. I know it's time up. We'll wind up the session, but I wanted to know how many of you have done till now. And is there any queries? If you still have any queries, please let me know that. No doubts. Very good, Divya. Yeah. So, yes, we'll wind up the session for today. That is, I wanted to know before winding up how many of you created your app, first React app. Please raise your hands and tell me. NPX is used for execution. NPM is package manager. Okay. No doubts. Okay. How many of you done with React app? First React app in your system. How many of you done with React app? First React app. Done till now. Very good, Jane. I hope everyone satisfied by creating React app, right? Very nice to hear most of the participants. Yeah, for today we'll wind up the session. I would like to thank all the participants for making the session interactive and hope so the same interaction will be continued in the coming days also. Okay, last but not least, if you really like the session, please do click on like, share, comment and subscribe to Pantech eLearning channel. And also, of course, you can even contact to me. I'll give you the details here. 1 minute. Yeah. I'll share you the links. You can just, if you're having any queries or any doubts, you can join the groups in social media and can contact me directly. In Facebook groups, I'll be available mostly. I'll be sharing you the Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn links here. You can just join the groups and you can directly contact me over there. I'll be there in the group. You can ask your queries. You can share your knowledge. Please do join the groups and ask me the queries over there. I'll be available in that social media and give you the clear explanation as well. Okay. Last but not least, have some delicious dinner and take care. Thank you all. Have a very nice time. If you are new also, you can just join now also in social media. I have shared you the links. You can just join, share your knowledge, ask your queries, clear your doubts. We'll be even posting regarding interview queries also, as well over there. Career opportunities also. Fine. Good night everyone. Thank you all. Have a great time. See you all tomorrow by 7 p.m.